sovereignty decide that our contribution is insignificant. Atong contribution tingali dili makahatag og kalanginan kung dili nato buhaton. But the conductor can give the influence. From our perspective, our contribution may be small, but from the perspective of the master conductor, it is crucial. Think about it. Our master conductor is
Turk pa siya.
and he is conducting all of us to play your role inside the church. And you are not playing your instrument. Naguhuli. Si Ginoong Jesucristo, because you are not playing. Hindi tayo ako ang kantang